Okay, so I'm gonna try making puris, uh, frying puris using these uncooked uh, rotis. They're available at many Indian grocery stores. I think you also get them at Costco. So I'm gonna use these uncooked rotis and try to make puris with it. These are wheat flour, so I'm sure puris are not made with normally with wheat flour, but this might work. I'm gonna try it. It saves the effort of making the dough for the puri. Normally I think bhaturas are made using maida, but so I'm going to try this for the first time. One thing to keep in mind is when you bring this out from the freezer, this is an 18 pack. This particular one is 18 pack. When you bring it out from the freezer, it's going to be like these are going to be all stuck, so you got to keep them out for some time. Otherwise what will happen is when you try to remove each individual roti, it'll break like this. So just keep them out for some time, and then it makes it easy to remove. This is also if you're making the actual rotis, you have to keep them out, otherwise they are stuck all together like this. Okay, so I'm going to use vegetable oil, and so let's start by, you can use other oils also, but I'm going to use vegetable oil. So I take this and we pour just enough, I guess. It has to be enough so that the puri actually is able to fluff, I guess. So this is how much I'm using. I'm trying this for the first time, so hopefully this is good. Turn on the gas. I'm gonna turn it to high flame first, because the oil needs to be hot for the puri to actually, because we are actually frying the puris. Let's see how this turns out. I'm trying this for the first time, so if the puri comes out good, it should be fluffy, it should fluff, and it should also be soft, it shouldn't harden. So let's see how this works out. And I'm going to use this to get the puris out. And basically I'm waiting for the oil to heat up. I think the way to check if the oil is hot enough is maybe take a really small piece of this broken roti, and it should start to fizzle when it's put in the oil. I think it should be hot, but let's try by putting this small piece in. Yeah, I think that should be hot enough. Let's see what it looks like. It's hardened a little bit, but let's see if this works. Take another small piece. I can feel the heat. Yeah, now it's definitely hot enough. So you can also sample it to see what it looks like. It does seem like it hardens a bit, but I think puris will harden a bit. So So anyway, here goes. I'm gonna try this first one. Yeah, it does look like it is bulging, so this looks like it'll work. Yep. Turn it the other way around. Yep, it looks like it'll work. Don't want to put it for too long because you don't want it to drain the oil like this. Actually, normally we could have used parchment paper on the plate so it would absorb the excess oil, but I forgot to do that. But this is not bad at all. Let's try another one. Actually, this is stuck. Looks like it's stuck, but I have another one on this side that I can possibly try. Yep. And we can also reduce the flame because the oil is already hot. Let's try a second one. Yeah, not bad. Turn it around that way, and yeah, this looks like it's working. And we put the second puri here. Looks like it's coming out pretty well actually. Yep, it is coming out well. This can probably also work as a bhatura, like for chana bhatura, but so far so good.